Welcome to KR Tutorials. In this video, let us discuss few example sums. So here one example number 4 is given. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB equals to 5 centimeters and angle ACB value 30 degrees. Determine the length of the sides BC and AC. So here one right angle triangle is there. That right angle triangle name is ABC and right angle is at B. So here one right the solution. So here one right angle triangle is there. So this is a one right angle triangle. So this right angle is at B. So this name is ABC. ABC is a right angle at B. AB length given 5 centimeter. AB length given 5 centimeters. Angle ACB means the angle at C. So angle at C is 30 degrees. Now then we have to find other two sides, BC length and AC length. So here one in a right angle triangle, one side is given and one angle is given. Then we have to find remaining two sides by using trigonometric ratios values of angles. See, for in the solution in triangle ABC, where the right angle B equals to 90 degrees. Next, what is given? Angle ACB value given 30 degrees. Then we have to find BC length and AC length. See, when this is the angle, then your AB length becomes opposite side and this BC length becomes adjacent side and this AC length is hypotenuse. So we have to find adjacent side and hypotenuse. So what is the ratio between opposite side to hypotenuse and what is the relation between opposite side to adjacent? So opposite to adjacent, tan. So tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent. So that's why we know the angle, we know opposite side, then we can find adjacent side. So that's why in this triangle, so we are taking tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 means what? Opposite side. Your opposite side is what? AB by adjacent side is BC. But tan 30 value already we know 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So here AB length is given 5 centimeters. So here AB length is also given 5 centimeters. Now we have to find BC length. So here since what is given, tan 30 value is 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 and AB value given 5 centimeters. Okay. So now cross multiply. BC into 1 BC equals to 5 centimeter into root 3, 5 root 3 centimeters. Therefore, the length of BC is, adjacent side length is 5 root 3 centimeters. So next, same like that we have to find AC length. AC means hypotenuse. So here for this we know opposite side and we have to find hypotenuse, we know angle value. So now we are taking sin 30 degrees. So sin theta equals to what? The ratio between opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. So the ratio between opposite side to hypotenuse. But already we know sin 30 value 1 by 2 and AB length is 5 centimeter given. By AC length we have to find. So again here since sin 30 value 1 by 2 and AB length given 5 centimeters. Now again cross multiply AC into 1, AC equals to 5 to 10 centimeter or 2 into 5 centimeters, that is equals to 10 centimeters. So that's why here BC length is 5 root 3 centimeter, AC length is 10 centimeters. Next, let us see example number 5. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeter is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. So here one chord of a circle is there. The radius of the circle is 6 centimeter and that chord is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Then we have to find the length of the chord. Chord means what? The line joining of any 2 points on the circle. Say for example here one circle is there. So the center of the circle, okay, so here one circle is there. Okay, this is the O is the center of the circle. Now there are 2 points on the circle. Say for example this point is A and this point is B. Now the line joining of these 2 points is called chord. So AB is a one chord. So this chord making 60 degrees angle at the center. So join here OA and OB. So this chord making 60 degrees angle at the center. Here this OA and OB represent the radius of the circle, that is 6 centimeters. This is also 6 centimeters. Now we have to find this AB length, the length of the chord. See, for this in the solution first given values. So say for example here O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Next AB is a chord. AB is a chord. Next radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So here OA and OB, these two are represent radius of the circle, that is 6 centimeter already given. So now we have to find the length of AB. So for this, okay, we are drawing one perpendicular line to AB from O. Say for example this is OC. Now here draw OC is such that OC is perpendicular to AB. So here one perpendicular line we are drawing from the O to AB, that is OC. Okay, here OC is perpendicular to AB. So this perpendicular OC line divides AB into 2 equal parts. Okay, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to any chord, okay, that perpendicular line divides that chord into 2 equal parts. So that means here AC length and BC length are equal. Next, again this perpendicular line, this angle into 2 equal parts. So this side angle is 30 degrees and this side angle is also 30 degrees. So here OC divides AB into 2 equal parts. Therefore AC length equals to BC length, and here angle AOC or angle BOC value half of the angle AOB by 2. So here AOB value given 60 by 2, that is equals to 30 degrees. So this angle is also 30, this angle is also 30. Yeah. Now we are considering here one triangle, that is OAC. See, in triangle OAC, in this triangle angle C equals to 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. Since why OC is perpendicular to AB. OC is perpendicular to AB. So here OC is perpendicular to AB means angle C value 90 degrees. And next this angle is angle AOC equals to 30 degrees. Already angle AOC value 30 degrees. So now we can find this AC length. See, when you take this one as angle, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Now we know the hypotenuse angle, we can find opposite side. So by using sine 30 degrees. So in sine 30 degrees equals to AC by OA. AC by OA. But sine 30 value we know 1 by 2 equals to AC value we have to find by OC value 6 centimeters. Now cross multiply 2 AC equals to 6 centimeter, then AC equals to 6 centimeter by 2, that is equals to 3 centimeters. See, AC length equals to 3 centimeter. But here AC length, BC length equal. So when AC value 3 centimeter, then BC also 3 centimeter. Therefore AB value becomes 6 centimeters. So here, but AC length equals to BC. So therefore BC length is also 3 centimeters. Yeah. Now we have to find. Now AB equals to total AB length equals to AC length plus BC. 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, that is equals to 6 centimeters. So here AB is what? The length of the chord. Therefore the length of the chord AB equals to 6 centimeters. So the length of the chord is 6 centimeters.